Hi guys, today in this video we talk about how many yards of concrete do I need for a 40 by 60 slab at 4-inch thickness. It means you have to find out quantity of concrete for this slab at 4-inch thickness. Suppose you have 40 foot and 60 foot slab and their thickness will be 4 inches. This is thickness is equal to 4 inch. And if you convert this in feet, this will be 0.33 feet. And you have to calculate the concrete quantity in yards. And required concrete quantity for this slab is equal to volume of this slab. Volume of slab is equal to length, breadth, and height. Suppose this one 60 foot, 40 foot, and height will be 4 inches. This will be 0.33 foot. All three dimension in feet. This will be, when you multiply all this will be 792 cubic feet. If your concrete quantity asked in cubic feet, it means 792 cubic feet of concrete quantity is required for 40 by 60 slab at 4-inch thickness. But you have to ask the concrete quantity in yards. Now, volume in cubic yards. And if concrete quantity in cubic feet, 1 cubic yards is equal to 27 cubic feet. Remember this. That's why 792 is divided by 27. This will come about 30 cubic yards approximately. It means how much concrete quantity is required for 40 by 60 slab at 4-inch thickness. You need approximately 30 cubic yards of concrete quantity for 40 by 60 slabs. And your question is, how much does it cost? The concrete slab cost about $4 per square foot. Remember this. If the concrete thickness is 4 inches, on average it may cost $4 per square foot. And the total square footage of this slab will be 40 multiply 60. This will be 2400 square foot, and per square foot cost is $4. Then multiply this one, this will come about $9,600. This cost includes materials along with labor cost. So you may need approximately 30 cubic yards of concrete for a 40 by 60 slab at 4-inch thickness and cost around $9,600.